talents, the righteous descend. Beings of prayer, what sin will bend. Blackened skies with songs they cry. Birds of prey who kneel and fly.
Falls they strike with thunder's crash. Eyes like fire piercing the veil, hunting the sinners, redemption to hail. From his people a raven's call, chanting scriptures as the wicked fall. Hawk of vengeance, eagles light to prayers idle through eternal night. Birds of prey, kneel and pray. Wings of shadow, dawn of day. Their hymns of storm, their claws of blade. In sacred blood, their wrath is laid. From the heavens they dive with devotion, spitting psalms like waves in motion. Convo cruising on the holy tides, Pharaoh chants as the waters rise. Falcons fasting for grace, swooping down with halos and blaze. Just hunters they sanctify prey, a flock of wrath and a righteous ballet. No one carries their holy decree. Baptized in flames, they set the skies free. The doves in silence, the owls in prayer. They strike a sermon, their gospel they bear. Birds of prey, kneel and pray. Wings of shadow, dawn of day. Their hymns of storm, their claws of blade. In sacred blood, their wrath is laid. Through the void, their prayers take flight. Birds of prey in the endless night. Clawing, praying, in skies of gray. Holy hunters, wherever they stay. Their wrath is laid. Their wrath is laid. Birds of prey in the endless night. Their hymns a storm, their claws a blade. In sacred blood, their wrath is laid. From the heavens they dive with devotion, spinning songs like waves in motion. Convo cruising on the holy tides, Pharaoh chants as the waters rise. Falcons fasting for grace, swooping down with halos in place. Not just hunters, they sanctify prey. A flock of wrath in a righteous ballet. A flock of wrath in a righteous ballet. The wind carries their holy decree. Baptized in flames, they set the skies free. The doves in silence, the owls in prayer. Each strike a sermon, their gospel